is vegan. La 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 la. She's got food and yes, it's season. La 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 la. She's got juice and fun and flavor. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you can savor. La 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 la.
Hey Coco Crew, it's your girl Stray Leisha. I am so sick of climbing this hill for this food. I really don't like this lady like that, but since she feeding me, I'ma keep coming back. She sometimes feed me twice a day. She don't be telling y'all when she come home from work early. But anyway, y'all have a happy Monday morning. Stay warm.
Alright guys, I finally pulled this from my fridge. We made this raw. Was this even raw? Anyway, we made this brownie so long ago. I don't see that it looks bad, but I'm tossing it out. It's been in there for months. We're going to toss this today, okay? The dinner I didn't finish last night because, you know, thin. So we're going to eat that for breakfast. I'm just going to add in this actual veggie burger here that I'm cooking up. Oh, okay. All right. I did add too much oil. You're right. So adding that actual burger to this, plus a little bit more rice, maybe a little bit more Brussels sprouts. But that might be enough Brussels sprouts. I don't know. Anyway, we're having lunch for breakfast, and then I'm going to go on the hunt to find an African shop to do my hair because it's Sunday, and so it might not happen, but we are going to try. Y'all, I am headed out super duper late. It is almost 11 a.m., and I was supposed to be at the hair shop at 9 a.m. Number one, the bed got a hold of me. Number two, that brownie pan took forever to clean. Oh my, I mean, y'all ain't shocked, but it took a minute to get that chocolate up out of there. And then after that, because I was washing dishes, I started vacuuming. Aaron, you got somewhere to be. You have somewhere to be. So then I finally washed and blow dried my hair, which of course I did a terrible job because I don't blow dry my hair, y'all. They always re-blow dry it. I think I did a pretty good job, but you see how it don't go straight through? I don't know how to blow dry hair. I'm natural, not because I'm like, yeah, fight the movement. I don't know how to do hair. So therefore, I have to do my real hair because, no. But anyway, hopefully the next time y'all see me, I am getting my hair done. Fingers crossed. All right. Alrighty guys, I am done. A little shorter than I wanted. I usually love a bob braid, but I actually, before they curled it, it was like right, this is where I wanted it, like right here, which is okay. These curls will fall. She curled them so tight. But yeah, all done. Don't love it, but I like it. Just need to play with it, style it. Y'all know I got a big head. Like even that looks way better already than what it was before. But I am upset with myself because I came out with an uncharged phone. My phone is on 20%. And that will not work because I need to see y'all in the next 2 hours, and I have an open house to go to as well. Listen, I have things to do, so I have to go home. I have a portable charger that I keep with me. That was also not charged. This was on 20% when I got to the hair salon. My phone was on 20%. So I got my phone up to 50%, but obviously I was on it. I was watching YouTube with my Meta glasses so I could hear. I was scrolling social media, so it drained the battery. So I have to go home, although it's the opposite direction from where I need to go because we need to go to Sprouts to get the ingredients for our live, and we also have an open house to go to. So there is that. So we are rushing home to get another charger and charge my phone, and I need to stick some avocado oil in the fridge because I think the recipe calls for the oil to be really cold. So poor planning on my part. So I will talk to y'all later. As y'all can see, the wind has picked up, knocked over both of our plants. Y'all see the wind chill. I just fed Stray Leisha again, so she's up there eating again. I anchored it down, y'all. Again, this is not the final house. The actual house comes on Friday. But I anchored it down with the cinder block and a big old stick. So hopefully she comes and checks it out. Y'all can't really see inside. It's too dark, but y'all see the bed there. So I'm going to try again with this catnip to see if she'll be interested because it's going to get below freezing tonight. It's already so cold. So let's try it again, y'all. I'll put you up some catnip up there. Okay? No? Okay. Hey y'all, hey. So priorities have changed a lot. We're gonna go to Sprouts first, and then if we have time, I will then go to open house. I'm freaking out because I cannot find my meta glasses. I know I have them somewhere. Well, I don't know if they're somewhere safe, but they're somewhere at the house. I freaked out. I thought for a second they fell off at the African shop, but they were on my shirt in the video. So I said, okay, they're somewhere either in this car, which I've already looked, but now I need to do a thorough examination. They're either in the car, somewhere in the house, or possibly when I went outside to go feed Stisha, they fell somewhere in the lead. So I am going to hurry up. Like I said, go to the store, come back. I don't know if open, because it's gonna be dark in an hour. So open house, I don't think I'm coming, but we'll see. I really do want to go by because I told her, you know, she knows I'm doing Vlogmas. I would love to show you guys the house she flipped. I'm flustered, y'all. Anyway, the real reason for me coming on here was to one, tell y'all I have temporarily lost my meta glasses, but they are somewhere at the house. And then back on meta glasses real quick before I tell y'all what this is.
Why are $300 glasses not equipped with a GPS? Why would you put a whole computer inside of glasses and they don't have a GPS? Make that make sense. Somebody.
Anyway, what this is the oatmeal I haven't eaten in a while because y'all remember it was a little too much fiber. This time we only did half a cup. Added half a bottle of that protein shake in here as well. I just drank the rest of the protein shake. My levels were a little, not concerning. They were like literally right below normal on protein. I'll show you guys. We'll go through my doctor results. I got the results while I was getting my hair done. So we'll go through that later after my anxiousness goes down about my glasses. We'll go through that later. But yeah, just eating some protein and some fiber while we go to the store. All right, y'all. I will chat with you later. I think I'm gonna try this. So the only reason I chose Sprouts, the grocery shop, was that I came specifically to make the Miyoko's butter, and I know they had all the ingredients, and I left it. She said you had to use soy milk if you weren't gonna make your own, so I grabbed that, the most expensive one, okay? And since I was already there, I grabbed some vegan marshmallows for my hot chocolate bar that I plan on serving at the Christmas party. It's cold, Stisha. Y'all, let me show her one more time. Right, I don't know, she's not human. Look, let me just walk up there. So it is 30 minutes before I go live. I think I'm about to have to cancel, y'all, because I think I left the coconut oil. I'm about to call Sprouts. I left the freaking coconut oil at the store. Even if I go back and get it right now, it's gonna be too late. It's gonna be dark. I'm not cooking. There's no food. I just fed you. There's no man. I'm so upset. I did find my glasses, y'all. They were in my room under the bed. I guess I must have placed them down, then knocked them over. But oh, man, it's like if it ain't one thing, it's another. It is freezing. Stisha, girl, she don't know her name. She's a cat, Erin. She's at her feeding spot. She's not nowhere over here. Okay, hopefully animal instincts will kick in. I mean, she survived the freezing before, but y'all, it's gonna be 20 degrees, if not already. She's eating whatever she left herself, but I'm so upset. Like literally, I had a full day planned. Like I was supposed to, okay, hair, open house, go live with y'all, and I really wanted to go to Second Sundays at the High Museum, but I don't even know what time that was. So to cancel everything, it's crazy. I didn't get to go to the open house. I might not get to go live with y'all because I have like 20 minutes. I have one more idea. Maybe I'll open this shed up a little bit and she can stay in our shed. Okay, let me try that. Oh, I mean, honestly, she probably can already fit in there. Yeah, she can fit in there. All right, let me call Sprouts. So change of events, I never paid for the coconut oil, okay? It's not on here at all. Yes, y'all, we didn't even do a grocery haul, but most of this is my mom's stuff. As you can see, her suits were pretty expensive because they came from Sprouts. So all this is hers, except for the vegan Caesar salad. All this is me, that's me, and that's me. But the $11.99, $10.99, $10.26, that's my mother. So we have no coconut. I don't know how that happened. My guess is I left it on a conveyor belt. The problem is I go live with you guys in 20 minutes. What can we make? And I gotta cancel because you guys are waiting on butter from scratch. And that's not happening. Let me cancel that. So look at God. I just got off live with y'all. I'm about to sit down and eat dinner and start editing this vlog. But I'm so grateful for y'all. Y'all don't even know. My community changed my attitude because I was upset. But all right. Let me go ahead and start editing this vlog that you're watching right now. And I'll see you on day 15. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. I try to put on a little light beat for work. Not anything too much, but not trying to always look homeless. Stray Leisha survived the night. Yay! I was very nervous. Where she slept, I don't know. I do know when I came outside, she came from underneath the trailer. So I don't know where she slept last night. I was just glad to see her this morning, give her food or whatever. It is below freezing. The ice water I leave out for her was a brick, so I added some more to another previous can. She's not gonna drink it, but because who wants water right now? It's so cold. I'm forcing myself to drink this water, okay? But anyway, I'm just chilling before work. I'm about to do some work. The vlog did not come out last night, y'all. I was just could not get into editing mode. I don't know what it was. I didn't have an attitude. Y'all made me way happier last night after the live. I just did a couple edits, but not enough to like finish it. So we'll combine yesterday with today. As of right now, do not have any plans. I will look on TikTok right now since I have about 15 minutes before work and see if there's anything going on today that we can go to. But for right now, no plans, okay? Oh, I have not eaten breakfast yet. I'm just drinking my kombucha and some water. Have not drank my energy drink yet. You guys know I've been trying to wait till 11 o'clock for that. Hey y'all, come with me and make a deluxe struggle meal, okay? It's deluxe because I got a protein shake, okay, period. But y'all, I am using this low carb bread I got from Sprouts and a plain just egg sandwich, y'all. No mayonnaise, no mustard, no nothing. Just hopes and dreams and a bite, okay? So this was breakfast. And then later on, I finally drank my caffeine for the day. I don't know if it's because I don't have the kids right now, but y'all, I'm sleepy. Like, I just put the kids down about 20 minutes ago, and I've been working on the vlog. And maybe that's also a thing because I'm working. But I am sleepy. I'm going to go ahead and eat lunch. I'm not hungry, but I'm going to go ahead and eat lunch because it's a smart time to eat lunch where I can eat it, slowly. Just going to eat some of the leftovers from yesterday before they wake up, okay? But I look tired. I need to move my body, too. But let's eat first. We can always move our body with the kids. All right. Kids are still asleep. I've been trying to edit, but I'm tired. I don't know what's going on with me. So, Toni Mitchell. Why do I watch Toni Mitchell? She's a black woman who's vegan, and I want to support her. So, all right, gotta go. My friend has joined me. It's so funny because he's looking at me, looking at her doing it. Are you doing it too? Are you gonna do it too? Okay, well, he's let me do it, so let me keep going. Oh my goodness, Hara's going fast. Sage is going fast. Oh, injury. Oh no. Okay, y'all, I just got done editing the vlog. I gotta add this clip that I'm recording right now because I wanted to try the kale Caesar salad. Surprise, I didn't go nowhere, okay? So this is the same kale Caesar salad that I bought yesterday. I already shook the dressing up in here. Looks disgusting, but all right, let's get into it. This is the one from Sprouts, okay? All right, here we go. I literally was waiting to eat this. I was like, oh, I gotta eat it on the vlog. Oh, I'm inside my mama's house because the trailer was too cold. That one little heater was not gonna hit it for below freezing. I'm sorry, it was not. Okay, here we go. This is too big of a bite. Aaron, you're skinny. Small bite, small bite. They're all big bites. All right, here we go. Smile at it. It's okay. It's not bad, but if you told me this was Caesar, I would be like, oh, it is? It just tastes like a wet dressing. Like, it's really not a lot of flavor at all. I would definitely use like shaking some salt and pepper, maybe a little garlic powder. Yeah, I'm not getting any flavor. I mean, let me know if you tried this. It just tastes like a dressing. I think it's avocado oil Caesar dressing. That's what it tastes like. Avocado oil. I will see y'all day 16. What is today? See y'all tomorrow.